Hey everyone, in this video we are going to practice another reading mock exam. In fact, the first part of the reading mock exam for Telc B1 German, which is Teil 1. In this mock exam, you will be given 5 text, like a paragraph of text, and like 10 titles. And for each text, you have to pick the best title. So the first thing I will tell you is that in this Teil 1, since you have 5 paragraphs and 10 titles, generally what ends up happening is that for each paragraph, you will find that there are like 2 titles that are generally plausible. So your first goal should be to use the technique of keyword matching to eliminate or strike out all the other titles and narrow down the 2 titles that are the most plausible. So in this case, if we start reading the text, we can see that it is something about autofahren, Glatten, like something on the streets, making the streets safer, and in winters. It also has something about Schnee, which is snow, Schnee and ice. So this is also interesting. Gefahr means dangerous. Straßenverhältnis, streets. And then Unfälle means accident. So, and sicherer means safe. So this, by matching these keywords, we can get an idea about it's something related to snow, something related to safety of driving in snow on the streets in winter. So let's use keyword matching to eliminate the obviously wrong choices, right? So for example, the first thing is Einfluss Schnee. Schnee is snow on land economy. Impact of snow, but like because it mentions snow, let's keep it for now. The second is about sicher, which is a keyword match. Autofahren is also a keyword match, and winter is also a keyword match. So we will also keep this. This could be another likely answer. Jungzeiten, life, Lebensweise, it has nothing to do with this paragraph, so we can eliminate this. Malerin or culture, so nothing about culture and Malerin in like this painting in this thing, so we can also eliminate this. Nothing about Kinder or Lesen, nothing about creative workshop, nothing about Gesundheit, right, or fast food, so we can also remove this. Nothing about burgers. Nothing about Sprachkurs für Senioren, and also nothing about Berliner. So we are left with these 2. So generally this is a pattern where you will have like 2 possible choices, and then one of them is the correct one. I think in this case, safety of driving in winter makes the most sense, so we will pick this one. And because it talks about safety, right? Instead of Wirtschaft, we mean economy. There's nothing talking about economy. So this is the process where you go through the 2-step process when solving for Teil 1 in Telc B1. You read the paragraph and match the keywords to quickly eliminate obviously wrong choices. So, and you're left with the 2 possible titles. And then you use some understanding of the paragraph to pick the correct title from that. So we can go to the next text and then follow the same process. It is about world culture, UNESCO, Jugendseite. So this is very interesting. This is already like very, very, very interesting. There's something about Malerin as well. Region, okay. Tourism, Felsmalerin, Jugendseite. So again, nothing about Schnee, so we can eliminate it. Jugendseite, this word occurred, so this word is a keyword match, so we can keep it. Weltkultur und Felsmalereien, these 2 words also match, so we can keep it. Lesen for Kinder is obviously wrong, nothing to do with Stadtbibliothek, and then we can simply eliminate the choices that like are obviously wrong. And in this case, for me, like I think this option makes the most sense. Why? Because in this case, only 1 word matches this one, but in this option, there are more matching of the words. So there's the word for Deutschland, there's a word multiple times this Fels-Mallerin occurs, so probably this is the correct choice. So you can use these techniques to solve for this Teil 1 and you can score very high marks in this. You will be given 5 texts and then you can quickly go through them and like hopefully have a higher chance of scoring. So that was my short explanation on how you can score good marks in the first section of the reading exam for Telc B1. Now at the end of this video, I would also like to share a free resource, which is like you can find like the free mock exams ebook where we have 5 reading mock exams for Telc B1. I know it's very hard to find good mock exam for Telc exams preparation, especially for B1, and you can just get a free copy of this book, and it has all the parts. So it has global verstehen, it has details verstehen, selective, it even has the answer, and then also some tips and strategy. So yeah, you can I will put the link to this free ebook in the description and the comment of the video, and feel free to check it out. I wish you good luck in your Telc exam and your preparation. Until next video, bye.